How to set up Perfect Privacy VPN Open Source Media Center, OSMC, on Raspberry Pi. This video explains how to set up the Open Source Media Center, OSMC, on a Raspberry Pi and tunneling all connections through a VPN server. This should work on all Raspberry Pi models with network support. For best results we recommend using a Raspberry Pi 3 Model B. For performance reasons we are using a pptp VPN connection. This provides only weak encryption, but that should not be an issue for streaming media. However, if you want you can use OpenVPN instead of pptp, but note that this may cause issues with certain full HD streams. 1. Insert the microSD card, start the installer and select your language and the Raspberry Pi version you are using. 2. Go through the steps of the installer. Choose the latest available OSMC version and click on SD card as destination for the install. Set the networking to wired and choose the drive representing the SD card in your system. After you accepted the license agreement, the install image will be written on the SD card. This will take some minutes. 3. After the write process to the SD card has finished, you can unmount the card. Connect your Raspberry Pi to a screen and keyboard, insert the SD card and connect the power supply to boot the device. Now the base system will be installed. This will take a few minutes. Once finished you should see the OSMC main menu as displayed on the left. 4. The configuration is not quite finished yet. Wait a few seconds and you will enter the final configuration screens. Choose your language, time zone, and a host name for your Raspberry Pi. Default is OSMC. In the next screen keep the SSH service enabled. You will need this to configure the VPN in the next steps, and accept the license agreement. Next choose a theme, OSMC or Classic. For this manual we used OSMC, and the final configuration is completed. 5. To find out the local IP address of the Raspberry Pi, go to System Info Network. Now you can log into your Raspberry Pi via SSH on port 22 using the IP shown in the system info. The default user/password is osmc/osmc.on. Windows, we recommend using PUTTY. 6. After the first SSH login, the app cache will automatically update. Once done, type in the following command to install the pptp client, sudo apt-get install pptp Linux. When the installation is done, create a pptp configuration for the server location you want to use. In this example we are creating a configuration for chicago.perfect-privacy.com by editing the following file, sudo 6/etc/ppp/peers/chicago. Copy the following content into the editor. You will need to change $username and $password for your Perfect Privacy username and password. Type pptp chicago.perfect-privacy.com. No long debug name $username 6. Now start the connection by typing sudo pon chicago. You can trace root google.com or any other host to make sure that your traffic is actually routed over Chicago. Trace root google.com. To automatically connect to the pptp VPN after startup, create an init.d script as shown below. You can give it any name. In this case we call it pptp VPN. Sudo 6/etc/init.d/pptp VPN. Hashtag /ben/sh case $1 in start, pon Chicago echo pptp started, stop, pov Chicago echo pptp stopped. Asterisk, echo usage, /etc/init.d/blah. Start stop exit 1, ESC exit 0. To start the VPN client on boot, issue the following two commands, sudo mod and x/etc/init.d/pptp VPN. Sudo update rc.d. pptp VPN default 7. Reboot your device. The configuration is now finished. Now you can add video streams. In the main menu, go to Videos, Video Add-ons, Get More. There are hundreds of pre-configured streams available. You can also add more later. Simply select the stream you want to install by pressing enter. 8. Some general information about the stream will be displayed. Add it by selecting install. It will then be available under videos from the main menu. 9. When you now select the newly activated video add-on, you will see different options depending on the kind of stream. In the case of TED Talks, you can for instance choose among the most popular streams or just play the newest one. You can add as many video add-ons as you want.